we do miss the traveling.
Patricia Swan and her husband are avid travelers. This summer, they were supposed to set sail for Portugal. When Viking canceled the cruise due to COVID-19, it gave her two options.
You had the option of getting a voucher or getting your money back.
Patricia opted for the refund.
I had two payments.
Patricia tells us she got the bulk of her refund, but not the $1,000 deposit. That's when she started making calls. According to Patricia, the cruise line told her it sent the money back to her Barclays MasterCard. When it didn't appear on her statement, she called the credit card company.
I started calling them, and they told me the first couple of times to wait 4 or 5 days.
The money never showed.
Credit card companies are generally pretty generous and forthcoming with these disputes. They're being flooded with them, though.
Ted Rossman is an industry analyst with creditcards.com. According to Ted, if you find yourself in a situation similar to Patricia's, start by asking the merchant for a refund, as Patricia did. If that doesn't work, contact the credit card company, which she also did. If your refund still doesn't come through, you have two more possible options.
Maybe you can take your bank or card company to arbitration. Maybe you could file a claim in small claims court, either against the merchant or against the bank.
You can find your credit card's policy for arbitration in your card member agreement. Patricia decided to take a different route. She wrote to NBC10 Responds. We reached out to Viking and Barclays MasterCard and asked what must be done for Patricia to receive her refund. Viking did not respond to our emails, but it did process her refund 2 days later. Barclays tells us it did not receive the credit from Viking until August 6th, nearly 2 months after Patricia's trip was canceled.
When NBC10 is contacted, people respond.
Barclays tells us it tried to contact Viking several times to help Patricia get back her money. It tells us the cruise line did not reply to its phone calls. Now, we again reached out to Viking for a response, but we did not hear back. Harry Hairston, NBC10 Responds.